morning, good afternoon everyone. My name is Song Tibet. I'm so excited to be here at this call, and I'm honored to present to you the low power high impact solution blueprint in Korea AI start. At the start of the complex program, we are in the middle of the great age growth of AI. This shift is driven by several trends: autonomy, unmanned operation, personalized service. It is expected that the number of IoT devices will grow up exponentially to 70 billion numbers by 2034 after 25. At this moment, more than 40% of the data requires the real-time processing. By the way, the current cloud-based AI system suffers from the weakness. These are issues of privacy and data security, disconnection and low latency, high TCO, and sustainability issues. This is why the on-device AI concept. Our vision is AI for everyone and every good. The Ouchik DX M1 is designed to empower these various applications. We have showcased 4 qualities program-wise. These are DX-M1, DX-M1N, DX-V3, and DX-M2. The DX-M1 and DX-M1N is AI vision accelerator. It is on the stage of mass production. It delivers 25,000 of the 5 watts. The difference of the DX-M1 and DX-M1N is that the LPDDR is external or incubating. The AI vision SoC DX-V3 is at the engineering sample stage. It delivers 30 clocks with ISP, ESP, and video codec. And finally, multi-gate feature, we are designing the DX-M2, the added accelerator. The target performance is 25 to 30 TPS, 80 clocks with under 5 watts. This at the design stage. We also have designed a wide range of model configurations to address diverse needs of consumers. The DX-M1 and DX-M1N and model delivers 25 TOPS with under 5 watts, and for the more powerful accreditation, we designed DX H-code card VMPU, which delivers 8K class with video codec capability. And DX H-code card Pro delivers 100 copies with 20 watts. And finally, DX VIP cap delivers 30 TOPS. Now, we are inflection point of the SEO microtech. In 1990s, Intel was the champion at the PC and the server market. By the way, in the good device area, ARM was above somebody because of the low power, low heat, and smaller die size. The similar trends happens is now. NVIDIA is the leading company at the data center area, but NVIDIA's solution has limitations of the device area because of their high power of the architecture. So we hope that DX will take charge of the device AI computing. This video is about how to issue parts. Yes, second. Bruce. And revenue on the current business and obligations. We define the current blockers and address the issues. These issues are GPU level of AI accuracy, legacy chip level of price, SOTA AI model and user-friendly SDK, ultra-low power consumption, and one size fits none. One size fits none means depending on various customers' needs, the customized chip and modules is defined. So we started to develop the AI chip that can solve all the blockers was AI, localized AI can. We believe that Vision AI will be the initial demand in the device AI. The vision-centric AI will be robotics for robotics, Vision AI embedding smart factoring for industrial devices, and Vision Central surveillance for surveillance. The traditional GPU consumes more than 300 watts and cost range is thousands of dollars. Compared to that, our DMX solution, the power consumption is only 2 to 3 watts, and the price range is under $100. So this is innovative technology giving AI solution to everyone for cheap cost. After releasing the NTL sample in 2023, DMX has captured various demands in Vision AI. These are the applications of the robotics, industrial devices, and surveillance. I will present to you more detail in the next few slides. The first project is with Hyundai Robotics. Our chip will fully deploy to all quantities of Hyundai Robotics while replacing the NVIDIA Jetson. At the early stage, they try to use the NVIDIA Jetson, which suffers the high power consumption of 40 watts and high cost of $900. Compared to that, our solution is as low ultra-low power consumption to 2 to 3 watts and low cost under $100. This impacts that covering all quantities of Hyundai Robotics. The second project is with POSCO. POSCO is the number one Korean steel company. Their target application was the smart factory systems. They also try to use the NVIDIA solution and Korea's beyond 40 stages. It consumes very high power consumption of 350 watts and high cost of $4,000. Compared to that, the DXH1 consumes 20 watts and low cost. The third project is about the surveillance system in China. DBS has proved the technological advantage to substitute the NVIDIA T4, targeting to cover all edge server demands in China. They are compared our solution with NVIDIA T4. T4, of course, suffers from the high cost and high power. This results that they covering all edge server demands in China for their customers. The last one I want to present to you today is with LGU Plus AI box solution. We demonstrated the superior performance efficiency and cost advantage compared to NVIDIA solution. LGU Plus and we compared the solution of the NVIDIA Jetson Nano with the NVIDIA DBX plus AI box solution. The NVIDIA Jetson Nano solution suffers for the low performance efficiency of 2.9 FPS per TOPS with high cost of $879. Compared to that, we shown the double the performance of the 4.8 FPS per TOPS. We are proud that we have over 300 global companies who tested our solution, and among them, 20 of them are preparing mass production in 2025. Let me move on to technical excellence. We confidently say that DX M1 is the global #1 tech in the world. Compared to our solution with other competitors, we stand out for every aspect. Among the aspects, the ultra criteria was the performance, the FPS cohort. We have 499, which is superior than our customers. So by this result, we concluded that our DX and the 2 module of AI performance is similar to the Jensen module AGX. And we also proved the #1 tech in China market as referenced by Light. We also conclude that we possess plus 5x all the core technical capabilities compared to global partners. This one is about the product benchmark at the China market. DX also proves #1 tech in China market. We compared every aspect and we are superior for every aspect. These are performance, price, and power consumption. The senior PM in Baidu stated that the US tech will release the use of NVIDIA solution, so it's bringing the huge opportunity for DX. This is about the product benchmark with global companies. Our chip outperforms Qualcomm and NXP by approximately 3 times. At this moment, I want to emphasize that Qualcomm uses the 3 nanometer application process, but our chip use 5 nanometers. So the actual performance scale is plus 4x. So we can conclude that DX possesses over 3x more the 4 technology capabilities if compared to Qualcomm and NXP. In terms of the accuracy, we have GPU level accuracy. As shown in the table, the accuracy drop is less than 1% by using our ETA quantization method. In terms of reliability, you may know that the on-device AI has limited, very small form factor, and no room for the FreeCAD, and often the device is placed in the open space, and there is no way to hide from the sun. So the chip overheating issue is the key obstacle for commercialization. We have fully addressed this issue. As you can see, our chip each generation has big difference with the industrial leaders, but our abilities is down. So we conclude that we have the first reliable solution for edge AI. We understand that hardware is not the big part of the solution, so we target to build NVIDIA CUDA-level software ecosystem. We support all the AI algorithms, including transformer models, with Model Joon over 200 models. We also develop our own software stack with global nomenclature. We support various frameworks, and we have our own compiler and one-time software running our hardware. Now let me summarize the innovative futures of defense. We have global number one efficient on-device AI chip, and our accuracy is GPU-11, and we have AI and cost leadership. We have the first reliable solution for edge device. We have the sustainable AI for in the future. This summarization said that we supply tiny chips but offers giant leap in on-device AI era. Let me present you more details about our advantages of our architecture. Our computer's architecture is supports from the heavy PCI bandwidth bottleneck. If the AI model requires more than 32 megabytes, the heavy PCI Express data transfer is inevitable. So this results in PCI bandwidth bottleneck and overheating. But our architecture is now all the AI parameters is scrolled in LPDDR, and there is no PCI access during every execution. So this results in no overhead, no overheating, no PCI bandwidth bottleneck. We have captured the global recognition last year. We are the world's first AI semiconductor to win triple innovation awards at CES 2024. We also received Computex Type A class awards. In Computex class, we competed over 400 startups and we gained second position. And we also received first Sullivan Company of the Year, E times 2024 Product of the Year. We are the first in Korea to select E times Silicon 100, and we are the first AI chip company invited to Davos. And we also received the Presidential Award to Excellence in Patents. In 2035, we recognized as was the C booth by CTA, with the global companies like AWS, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and more. This is my last topic about DSM2, which is hiring LLM acceleration. First, I want to tell you about the present and future of LLM. The current LLM system suffers from the latest problem. This problem can be solved partially by using the regional data servers or promise servers. But the latest problem is the SO4. So we believe that the only solution is by adopting AI computing, like embedded PC, embedded server. Now let me tell you about the spec of our second generation. We will showcase personalized ML experience with travel power. You may know that the NVIDIA system suffers from the power consumption. As you can see in this presentation, the NVIDIA H100 CPU will consume more power than some cartridges. Now I will take you an example of the Llama 2 model and compare with NVIDIA system and our system. The NVIDIA system memory requirements is very high, and they also must use expensive HBM. But we believe that by using the DivX's advanced virtualization method, the memory requirement will be reduced by 4 times. And of course, we don't need the expensive HBM, but cheaper LPDDR. Our target is 30 billion parameters with performance at 30 TPS on the 5 watts. And let me tell you about the product benchmark with Qualcomm solution. This is the simulation result comparing our chip's performance and Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. We estimated that our chip performance is superior across all models. We also targeting to load Llama 4 model, which is over 100 billion parameters at 20 TPS on the Pilot Watch. We are targeting the AI PC, consumer electronics, and chiplet business. We can match this specs, and it means that we can meet the requirements of legacy profile, and this means that 1 sentence per second experience can be possible. So for AI PC, the AI PC maker will adopt the more MPU to differentiate their products. And for consumer electronics, we can empower smartphone solution and free charge of generic Gen AI service. We also plan to expand our product to chiplet business to targeting automotive and robotics. This is the screenshot of the FPGA demo done last year. We successfully deployed the Llama 2 model with 2 TPS with 100 MHz operating system. And please note that our targeted operating speed is more than 1 GHz, so our target is agile. This is my last presentation. This is ongoing business project with LG U-Cross. The LG AI Research Center are developing their own LLM model called XR1. And LG U-Cross is trying to take the XR1 model and transform it for their domain-specific model. Gigax will take both the domain-specific model to our chip and deploy to our solution to all the LG products to make their products with AI capability. Yes, this is my end of my presentation. Thank you for your time and attention.
Thank you.